Hello everyone. Ah,
Hello.
there's Mr. Yashwant
Long
Mata.
time. How are you doing?
Yeah, going on good. When did the last time we did a live, Yashwant? I think
CSK.
during CSK's pathetic
Yes.
journey last year. Yes, yes. So, what's up?
Going good, man. Just finished the work.
Yeah,
Just
same here. Even I put the baby to sleep just a few minutes back. So, first of
equally
all,
a
anyway, thanks a
tougher
lot.
task, I'm sure. Equally a tougher task, I'm sure.
Definitely, equally, Allah. Definitely task. But yeah, I mean, thanks a lot for pitching this idea, to do this live all of a sudden. And I don't know when physically we will be able to ever sit and do a jam, but better late than never. Better online than never. So
Better online than ever, yeah.
I can see some of your admirers have already joined from across the globe. So hi to everyone. Thanks for joining.
Hello, hello.
Yes, sir. Tell me, how do we start?
So,
So, I made a lot of false promises to myself that I'll research a lot on favorite singers and composers and all of that, but didn't do anything.
uh,
So I'm completely blank at the moment. But you tell me what's running in your mind.
we're the kings of the last minute, so I think it should be fine.
We are the kings of the last minute, of course. We belong to the MS Dhoni school of management and music and whatever you call it. So yeah, definitely.
So, yeah, you want to quickly explain the format in which we are going ahead?
So format, what I've thought is that what we were chatting the other day, that if we look at the music of Indian cinema over the ages, so I mean, right from the time of Alamara in 1931 to present day, sorry, 1913 to present day. So I think there has been this lovely procession of music composers and singers, and I think the idea today was to just probably sing a few songs of some of our favorite singers. Um,
Right.
so what I've often discovered, Yashwant, is that often when you remember a song, it's very easy to remember who the singer is, obviously. But more often than not, you don't know the composer behind the song. So one small example that if you take up any of the songs from Amar Prem in 1971, so
Mm-hmm.
you have all the famous songs of Rajesh Khanna and Shamla Tagore, and you think that yeah, the music must be by SD Burman because the music sounds like that of SD Burman, but it actually you
It is
later
not.
I discovered much later that it is RD Burman's music and not SD Burman's music. So that's the thing. So maybe we'll get chatting about some of our favorite composers, singers, and then see where it goes.
Yeah, definitely. So, yeah, do the honors. You go for it first. Let's let's see what is the first song that you have to sing for us.
So right, I'm very, very predictable in this way. So I will, given a choice, I'll always start with Kishore Kumar. I mean, there's no doubt about it. So I think I'll start from our Prem itself. And
Yes,
what better song to start than with this? So I've discovered this Tanpura to give special effects to this Insta live. Can you hear the Tanpura, by the way?
I can, but lower the volume a little
Is it
of Tanpura.
volume, right? Yeah, yeah. Even I feel it might be a bit too loud. One second. Hmm. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Okay, now I think it's better. Just let me know if it is tolerable.
Yeah, uh,
Yeah.
you can increase it a little bit. Perfect. Yeah, it's fine.
ठीक है अब ठीक है
Yep.
ओके ठीक है
Yeah, go for it.
हम्म, हम्म, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है कहना छोड़ो बेकार की बातों में कहीं बीत न जाए रहना, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, कुछ रीत जगत की ऐसी है, हर एक सुबह की शाम हुई तू, कौन है, तेरा नाम है क्या, सीता भी यहाँ बदनाम हुई, फिर क्यों संसार की बातों में भीग गए तेरे नैना, कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे. Okay, so that was Kishore Kumar, Amar Prem, R.D. Burman. So tell me one thing,
It
Yashwant.
sounded lovely.
Thanks, bro. Thanks a lot. Will you be able to sing with the same like Tanpura going on? Is it equally like fairly audible to you as well,
Uh, I
or would you
have a
prefer
Tanpura
playing it from?
setup, so you can.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
I
I'll
have a
pause it here
Tanpura
then.
setup, so you can turn it off
Cool,
and
cool.
turn it on here.
Perfect. Great. So I obviously started with the Kishore Kumar song for two reasons, Yashwant. Number one, Kishore Kumar has always been my all-time favorite singer. That is one thing. And coincidentally, my son was also born on the same day Kishore Kumar was born, which is 4th of August. Uh, so now you, yeah, that was by design. No? We planned it that way. So now, who's your favorite singer? And we would love to hear a song from your
So,
favorite singer.
see, I don't think any music lover will skip Kishore Kumar and move to the next song. So yeah, probably I also would want to give a shot for to a Kishore Kumar number.
Sure. Go ahead.
Hmm. Can you hear the Tanpura?
Yes, I can. But I think you need to ramp up the volume a little bit.
Should I increase or decrease?
Increase. Yes. Little bit more. Yeah, I think this is perfect. Yeah.
तुमने जो देखा सुना सच था मगर कितना था सच ये किसे को पता, जाने तुम्हें मैंने कोई धोखा दिया, जाने तुम्हें कोई धोखा हुआ, इस प्यार में सच झूठ का हम तुम वहा कर ना सके, हम बेवफा हरगिज न थे, पर तुम वफा कर ना सके.
Beautiful. That's from Shalimar, no? I think that Dharmendra movie, Shalimar Diamond. Yeah, I remember now.
Correct.
Hum Bewafa. Yeah. Of course we knew it more because Shan made a highly westernized remix of this, and but one
Version
of my
of it.
favorite songs.
Correct.
Yeah. And I remember, you remember how it ends with "You can make it happen." It ends with those lines being repeated multiple times. Yeah, amazing song.
I felt that's where it was a little ruined.
Yeah, but back then we thought it was like really cool and stuff. Yeah,
Yeah.
great, cool. So moving on from Kishore Kumar,
Where are we
now
going
you
next?
need to tell me. Now we will go to your favorite singer, who your favorite singer is, and a song from
Okay.
that person, whoever that is.
Mm, okay, I'll sing something of Rafi Saab maybe.
So Rafi is your favorite singer. क्या बात.
So I don't believe in
Expected.
this concept of
Expected.
like one favorite singer. Like I've never been able to
I
narrow
I
down.
kind of I kind of sense that. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah. In a particular situation,
so
you
yeah,
feel na that yeah you like somebody. Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead.
true that. Yeah. So
That's true.
yeah, probably out of the like hundreds of favorite singers that I have, one of my most favorite singers is Rafi Saab again.
Without a doubt.
जुल्फे है जुल्फे है जैसे कांधे पे बादल झुके हुए आंखें हैं जैसे मैं के प्याले भरे हुए मस्ती है जिसके आंखों में तुम वो शराब हो
क्या बात.
चौदहवीं का चांद हो तुम या आफताब हो जो भी हो तुम खुदा की कसम लाजवाब हो चौदहवीं का चांद हो तुम. So yeah, that's one of my
Nice.
favorite renditions.
Yes, yes, yes. I mean, that song kind of, haunts you all the time. That, and of course, Abhi Na Jao Chhodkar also, beautiful numbers by Rafi. And I think it was also the Guru Dutt effect. Coming to your specific song, the Guru Dutt effect made it all the more mysterious and, okay. So, I have a very trademark favorite Rafi song, which I sing everywhere I go. People know it before and what that song is gonna be. So I'll sing that.
I myself know it.
One second. Let me. अच्छा, are you expecting अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर? अच्छा ठीक है. अच्छा, we'll come to that a little later. अभी जहन में कुछ दूसरा गाना चल रहा है, तो I'll sing that for now.
Cool. Go for it. Go for it.
Hmm. Hmm. तेरे मेरे सपने अब एक रंग है, हो जहाँ भी ले जाए राहे हम संग है. ओ तेरे मेरे सपने अब एक रंग है, हो जहाँ भी ले जाए राहे हम संग है. तेरे मेरे दिल का तय था एक दिन मिलना, जैसे बाहर आने पर तय है फूल का खिलना. ओ मेरे जीवन साथी, तेरे मेरे सपने अब एक रंग है, हो जहाँ भी ले जाए राहे हम संग है. ओ तेरे मेरे सपने अब एक रंग है. So that was from Guide.
Guide, right?
Whenever, yeah, that was Guide.
Yeah. Lovely
Devanand
song.
and the Rafi Magic. Yes.
Yep. 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 Beautiful. Okay.
Cool.
I'll
Kishore
try
done,
and like
Rafi done. Next. Yeah.
yeah. We'll try and like mix things up. I'll quickly skip to the new age probably. And there's this beautiful song that I really love. It's sung by Monali Thakur. Right.
Okay.
So yeah, one of my favorite singers again. So I would want to give that a shot.
Cool.
तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना। तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना। कैसे तूने अनकहा सब सुना। तू होगा जरा पागल, तूने मुझको है चुना। तू दिन सा है, मैं रात आना, दोनों मिल जाए शामों की तरह। ये मोह मोह के धागे तेरी उंगलियों से जा उलझे, कोई टोह ना लागे, किस तरह बिरहा ये सुलझे। So yeah, that's
Amazing. So, Yashwant, what scale were you on?
E major.
E major, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Somehow, I was like, while you were singing, I just kind of got a song, so I thought I'll continue on the same scale.
I think you should.
Let me just see.
Go for it.
So again, new age favorite singer and old age favorite singer, both have the same initials, coincidentally. So it's Kishore Kumar then, and it's KK now.
KK now.
So yeah. तू है आसमां में, तेरी ये ज़मीं है, तू जो है तो सब कुछ है, ना कोई कमी है, तू ही दिल है, तू ही जा भी है, तू खुशी है, आसरा भी है, तेरी चाहत जिंदगी है, तू मोहब्बत, तू आशिकी है, तू आशिकी है। प्यार में ही ढूंढता हूँ, प्यार से ही पूजता हूँ तुझे, तेरा चेहरा रोशनी है, तू मोहब्बत, तू आशिकी है, तू आशिकी है। I've never sung this song in Tanpura before. This is like a completely different thing
Reminded me
altogether.
of that cafeteria gig.
Which one?
I think we've done the same song. Tu Ashiki
Acha.
for some event in a cafeteria.
Okay. Maybe. Not able to. Yeah. Cool.
KK.
So yeah, that's about
Finest
the
voice in the
KK.
country.
Yes. Definitely. Finest voice and probably with the least tantrums. Like whatever little stories I've heard about him or even shows that I've attended,
Always
I actually found like very
outgoing.
sorted. Yeah. He like he'll come to stage, he'll sing his songs, he'll go. No tantrums thrown. He'll entertain through and go. Not like the rest.
Have you ever been to his live show?
Yes, once. So I think there was once one of his shows in IIM Bangalore, way back in 2013 or 14, I don't remember, when I attended KK's show. And what happened was that in Hyderabad, so KK's show was in Bangalore, and in Hyderabad we had, so you have Madhapur, right? The high-tech city, Madhapur.
That's right.
So there, I think it was in 2012, I had gone to Hyderabad for some work, and I had attended Sukhwinder Singh's concert there. So Salman Khan had also come. I'm forgetting the occasion, of course, but Sukhwinder Singh was also there, and so he entertained with the songs, but he did some like tantrums on the stage, which nobody really liked. But so And that's why I remember it all the more clearly. The contrast of how they entertain. Amazing, different level altogether.
Yeah. Okay, I think now that we are with KK, we'll
Yeah,
continue with one more KK song.
sure, sure. Yes, yes. Let's hear it. Mhm.
आई ऐसी रात है
Ah,
वो बहुत खुश नसीब है, चाहे जिसे दूर से दुनिया वो मेरे करीब है। कितना कुछ कहना है फिर भी है दिल में सवाल कहीं, सपनों में जो रोज कहा है वो फिर से कहूँ या नहीं। आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं, ओ आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं, दिल में बनाते जो पतंग सांसे वो तेरी वो हवाएं हैं। आंखों में तेरी अजब सी अदाएं।
कहीं दूर जब दिन ढले जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए मेरे ख्यालों के आंगन में, कोई सपनों के दीप जलाए, दीप जलाए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढले जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए। कभी हुई जब हुई बोझल सांसें भर आई, बैठे बैठे जब यूं ही आंखें, कभी मचल के प्यार से चल के, छुए कोई मुझे पर नजर न आए, नजर न आए। कहीं दूर जब दिन ढले जाए, सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए, चुपके से आए।
कभी कभी मेरे
क्या
दिल
बात है।
में
और अब
ख्याल
जमाए गाना।
आता है, कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है, कि जैसे तुझको बनाना
गया है तेरे लिए,
कि जैसे तुझको
तुझको
बनाया गया है तेरे लिए। तू अब से पहले सितारों में बस रही थी कहीं, तुझे जमीन पर बुलाया गया है मेरे लिए। कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है।
amazing, amazing.
Yeah. Classics.
Classics, yeah, man, classics. Somehow I feel you can't do this with the new age songs which are coming in. I mean, I don't know. I mean, you can
No, no.
obviously because you
Yeah,
have
you
this
can't.
knack of catching, but um,
You're right. I think you can't flow into it probably. You have
yeah,
to do a
yeah. You
little
can
more.
actually jump. You can actually jump from composer to composer, like when you go back in the 70s or 60s or 80s.
Yeah.
With the new age songs,
You
it's
can keep
very
it as an
difficult to do that.
endless list.
Yeah, yeah, totally. Ah, okay. What next? Well, A.R. Rahman. I think it's high time we have to talk about him.
Yeah. I
So
wouldn't
what?
have. I wouldn't have let you end the call if we weren't doing any Rahman.
Mr. Tushar K. Bharati has requested for Luka Chupi. And by the way, we have actually missed a lot of conversation in between. A lot of people have told many, many good things about us in the meanwhile. I can see some 20,000 odd comments here. So hi everyone. Pratibha, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Pratibha. And so many highs and hellos. Priya Jasmine has joined.
I see Priya.
Yeah.
Prithvi has joined.
Ashwin Prabhu. Ashwin has said finally. Thank you so much, guys, for taking time out of your busy schedules and joining us.
And joining in the same. Thank you.
Much appreciated. But yeah, Tushar has also said that give advance notice from next time. We'll try and give. We ourselves just did it as a spur of the moment kind of a thing. So yeah. Once more. Already he's like already sold. Okay.
Chalo, let's probably you start off with one good Rahman's number.
Yeah. Okay, I think we'll do a bit of Luka Chupi only.
We've got a request also of Luka Chupi, then probably
we got a request also, तो इतना तो बनता ही है. Luka Chupi. Huh? Sorry?
I was just asking, sorry, have you said it at E?
Yeah, I have selected E. Yeah.
Go for it. Sorry. Go for it. Yeah.
Is it fine? Is fine, right? I think.
He's good.
I think yeah. It's okay. Forgive us, people. The maximum that will happen is our voice will come out in our hand. That's the maximum that's going to happen. So don't worry about that. लुका छुपी बहुत हुई, सामने आ जाना, कहाँ कहाँ ढूंढा तुझे, थक गई है अब तेरी माँ, आजा सांझ हुई, मुझे तेरी फिक्र धुंधला गई, देख मेरी नजर आ जाना, क्या बताऊं. Oh, sorry, I already got off stage. सांझ हुई, मुझे तेरी फिक्र धुंधला गई, देख मेरी नजर से आ जाना, क्या बताऊं माँ कहाँ हूँ मैं, यहाँ उड़ने को मेरे खुला आसमां है, तेरे किस्सों जैसा भोला सलोना जहाँ है, यहाँ सपनों वाला मेरी पतंग हो बेफिक्र उड़ रही है माँ, दूर कोई लुटे नहीं, बीच से काटे ना, आजा सांझ हुई, मुझे तेरी फिक्र धुंधला गई, देख मेरी नजर आ जाना. Okay, I'm very afraid of proceeding further to the Sargami part of it because I've been out of practice for a very, very long time. But Yashwant, you can actually go ahead.
I'll try and attempt on probably a different scale.
Yeah. Probably, I think we need to go down a little, no, for this. I think probably D or something. Probably.
हाँ, तेरी राह थके अखियाँ, जाने कैसा होवे जिया, तेरी राह थके अखियाँ, जाने कैसा होवे जिया, धीरे धीरे आंगन उतरे अंधेरा, मेरा दीप कहाँ ढलता सूरज करे इशारा, चंदा
क्या बात।
तू है कहाँ, मेरा चंदा तू है कहाँ, दुखा चुप्पी बहुत हुई, सामने आ जाना, कहाँ कहाँ ढूंढा तुझे, थक गई है अब तेरी माँ।
मुझे तेरी फिक्र धुंधला गई, दे मेरी नजर आ जाना। And now, out of respect for Lata Mangeshkar and A.R. Rahman, we will stop right here because we can't manage all that. Yeah, but with practice we can. But we're out of practice. So. Okay,
Yeah,
cool.
I think you'll have to be in
But
touch.
again, I think, yeah. But yeah, I mean, all-time favorite A.R. Rahman song, bro. We can fairly agree on that. And again, another song which like blows my mind every single time I hear it is Khwaja Ji. I mean, just because of the sheer brilliance of execution. So, A.R. Rahman, he's singing for one person, he's singing for the second person, he's singing for the third person. Then he's playing 3 tracks together at different intervals and he's recorded the entire song. So, you have 3 Rahmans singing in one song. That's what Khwaja Ji is. And to think about that and to pull it off, I mean, very level.
And visually also, I think it's brilliantly executed.
Yeah, definitely. चलो ख्वाजा जी का भी थोड़ा भगवान को भी याद कर ही लेते हैं अभी. 1 second, ख्वाजा जी. Okay, we'll go with the safer D, so that no voice is cracked. D, I think, will be fine. Khwaja mere khwaja. I think it's a little low, na? I think we have to go up for this.
I think you should try something like F or F sharp.
Yeah, F or F sharp, I guess. Correct.
Go for F sharp.
F sharp? So the F hash, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Ya Garib Nawaz, Ya Garib Nawaz, Ya Garib Nawaz, Ya Moinuddin, Ya Moinuddin, Ya Khwaja Ji, Ya Khwaja Ji. ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा, दिल में समा जा, शाह का शाह तू, अली का दुलारा. ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा, गा गे गा 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 गा, दिल में समा जा, सरे 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 सरे, शाह का शाह तू, अली का दुलारा. ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा, दिल में समा जा, ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा, दिल में समा जा. बेकसों की तकदीर तूने है सवारी, बेकसों की तकदीर तूने है सवारी. ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा. Oof, this like song is like, just takes me to another world altogether. It's magical. It's nothing short of it. Yeah, that's true. I remember we used to sing this song and we used to immediately go towards Lagan. I don't know how we did that, but we used to do that. हाँ. But yeah, maybe for that we need a lower scale.
Yeah, we should do it in E.
In E, yeah, yeah. ओ सुनो वो कहे प्रभु जी हमारी है विनती दुखी जन को धीरज दो हारे नहीं तो कभी दुख से तुम निर्बल को रक्षा दो रह पाए निर्बल सुख से भक्ति को शक्ति दो भक्ति को शक्ति दो जग के जो स्वामी हो इतनी तो अर्ज सुनो है पथ में अंधियारे दे दो वरदान में उजियारे ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण और नारे तुमरे बिन हमरा कौनो नहीं हमरी उलझन सुलझाओ भगवन तुमरे बिन हमरा कौनो नहीं.
Lovely, lovely.
Oh God.
But I don't think we should go ahead without covering Tu Hi Hai.
Yeah, go ahead bro, go ahead. Yeah, काफी दिनों से नहीं सुना है.
काफी दिनों से
Yeah.
इन सांसों का देखो तुम पागलपन के आए नहीं है चैन मुझसे ये बोली मैं राहों में तेरी अपनी बिछा दूं ये नैन इन ऊंचे पहाड़ों से जाने दूंगा मैं गर तुम आए नहीं तुम उधर जाना उम्मीद मेरी जो तोड़ो इधर ये जहां छोड़ू मैं मौत और जिंदगी तेरी हाथों में दे दिया रे तू ही रे तेरे बिना मैं कैसे जियो आजा रे यूं ही तड़पाने तू मुझको जानवे सांसों में बस जा तू चांद रे आजा दिल की जमीन पे तू चाहत है आके मुझसे मिल जा तू या फिर ऐसा कर धरती से मिला दे मुझको तू ही रे तेरे बिना मैं कैसे जीऊं आजा रे यूं ही तड़पाना तू मुझको so yeah
What can I say, Yashwant?
The question that you were asking, like, if you have to like pick one favorite singer of yours, probably I'd go with Haryan Singh.
Correct. Oh yeah, sorry. I got a little dazed in between thinking about all that we have sung. So yeah, we have got two requests. One is Priya. Priya has requested for Kun Faya Kun, and Pratibha has requested for Diye Jalte Hain. Uh, so we'll keep that in mind. Somewhere in the order of things, we'll try to sing them off.
Sure.
So yeah, what next, Yashwant? So A.R. Rahman is also ticked off the list now.
Now that we are talking about new age singers and musicians, I don't think we should further delay picking up an Arijit song.
Oh, of course, of course. Yes, Arijit Singh, definitely. Um,
Like
so,
the
which is
list
your
never
favorite?
ends. The list of good songs like never ends.
Of course, the list will never end. Yeah. What is your favorite Arijit Singh song?
A lot of them, man. Ayat, I think, is very, very close to my heart.
Okay.
I think all of the songs of
Sing one. Sing one, whatever comes to mind. Whatever you like.
Yeah, probably. Wait, let me pick up the lyrics first. This song in two states, I really love that song. Mast Magan.
Ha ha. That one, right? Yeah.
Yeah, that Mast Magan.
That was, yeah, बहुत सही था.
ओढ़ के धानी रीत की चादर आया तेरे शहर में राजा तेरा दुनिया जमाना झूठा फसाना तेरे मेरे नाना जिन्हें मरने का वादा साझा रहा ओ शीश महल ना मुझको सुहाए तुझे संग सुखी रोटी भाए मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए चाहे अभी तो मन मस्त मगन बस तेरा नाम दोहराए
दिए जलते हैं फूल खिलते हैं बड़ी मुश्किल से मगर दुनिया में दोस्त मिलते हैं दिए जलते हैं जब जिस वक्त किसी का यार जुदा होता है कुछ ना पूछो यारो दिल का हाल बुरा होता है दिल पे यादों के जैसे तीर चलते हैं आहा दिए जलते हैं फूल खिलते हैं दिए जलते हैं the beginning of Amitabh and the end of the first one. Yeah, but I always remember this song for one reason, only for one reason, that this is a song from the movie Namak Haram, and this was the movie. So of course Rishikesh Mukherjee had directed the movie, and Rajesh Khanna and Amitabh both were in this movie. So Rajesh Khanna went to see this movie with ऋषिकेश मुखर्जी एट द हॉल पूरा मूवी जब खत्म हो गया तब राजेश खन्ना ने ऋषिकेश को बोला कि मेरा टाइम खत्म और अमिताभ का टाइम शुरू and that's exactly what happened from that year onwards 1973 was the year turned around things totally turned around so which actually kind of gives me an idea that we talked about singers we talked about composers we have some songs which we associate with the actors who have lip synced for those songs also. कुछ ऐसे सॉन्ग्स हम वैसे याद भी रखते हैं, तो
Like Chaya Chaya, you have the visual of Shah Rukh Khan on the train.
of course, on the train.
Uh, one more person whom we should speak about, who is probably the same stature, would be Mr. Shankar Mahadevan.
Yes, absolutely.
Again, like lot of fantastic songs, fantastic compositions. He himself is a magician.
Yeah, of course, and of course a brilliant singer. Uh, the amazing classical bass, along with the Western sophistication that he brings down to the table. He does wonders with whatever song he takes up. Whatever song. What's your favorite Shankar Mahadevan song?
I think Orangres for me, like hands down, is my favorite composition of.
You know what? Go for it. Go for it. I think in the meanwhile, I'll just try to figure out some more lyrics here.
Okay. ओ रंगरेज तेरे
हाँ, क्या बात.
रंग दरिया में, ओ रंगरेज तेरे रंग दरिया में, डूबना है बस तेरा बन के, नहीं रहना दूजा बन के, एक भी सांस अलग नहीं लेनी, एक भी सांस अलग नहीं लेनी, खींच देना प्राण इस तन से, नहीं रहना दूजा बन के, अपने ही रंग में मुझको रंग दे, धीमे धीमे रंग में मुझको रंग दे, सोंदे सोंदे रंग में मुझको रंग दे, रंग देना रंग देना रंग देना.
क्या बात.
Let's see if we have some requests on the chat.
Yeah. I think some requests have come in.
Abhinav asks for Kabira.
Kabira. Yeah, Kabira.
Should we pick up Kabira?
Yeah, you can.
G.
Yeah.
कैसी तेरी खुदगर्जी, ना धूप चले ना छाँव, कैसी तेरी खुदगर्जी, किसी ठोर टिके ना पाँव, मस्त मोरा मस्त कलंदर, तू हवा का एक बवंडर, बुझ गई अंदर से अंदर क्यों रह गया, रे कबीरा रे फकीरा, यूं न जा, आजा, ना 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 ना.
Great. So, Yashwant, it's actually 9. It's been an hour. We didn't even realize.
Time is flew.
Okay. So, we will do one thing. We'll try and see if we can wrap up now. But you say, bro, you pick up whatever comes to your mind, whatever you want.
Yeah, I would probably pick up one very, very underrated singer who's like brilliant. I
Okay.
think Shafqat Amanat Ali is one of the finest singers in the world.
Yeah.
But I thought that he's never got the due credit.
Yeah, that's true.
So
That's true.
yeah, I'll probably pick one number of Shafqat Aman Nazari. I, I think this will be more interesting on the guitar. So I'll pick up the guitar
Yeah, yeah,
for this song. Yeah.
yes. Life in a Metro. Okay, you go, you go.
सावन भी तो
ओहो, क्या बात है.
जाए बिहारवा सावन भी
सावन भी
तो
तो
जाए
जाए.
मन मोरा घबराए मन मोरा घबराए सो गए परदेश पिया तुम ऐसो गए परदेश पिया तुम चैन हमें नहीं आवे चैन हमें नहीं आवे मोरा सैया मुझसे बोलेगा मोरा सैया मुझसे बोलेगा मैं लाख जतन कर
लाख जतन कर हार गई मोरा.
मोरा सैया मुझसे बोलेगा प्यार तुम्हें कितना करते हैं प्यार तुम्हें कितना करते हैं तुम ये समझ नहीं पाओगे तुम ये समझ नहीं पाओगे जब हम ना होंगे तो फिरवा जब हम ना होंगे तो फिरवा बोलो क्या तब आओगे बोलो क्या तब आओगे मोरा सैया मुझसे बोलेगा मोरा सैया मुझसे बोलेगा
Amazing, Ashton, amazing. I mean, the guitar, like sounds
this is
so much better. Sounds so much
guitar
better.
is a good accompaniment for the song.
Yes, 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 absolutely. But yeah, we will have one live where it will be completely guitar, top to bottom, and I think with the chords coming into the picture, we'll be able to jump chord to chord from one song to another. That'll be even more fun, I'm sure. Yeah, but yeah, I think this experiment, like while we were both relatively unprepared, but I think this Tanpura concept worked. I mean, I did feel a little weird singing some songs in Tanpura for the first time, but yeah, I had a lot of fun. And to all those people who joined today, thank you so much for joining in. And please excuse us because we just like decided on the spot that we'll just go for it. And that's why you would see us, fumbling, changing scales in between, changing songs in between because it was not in any sequence. We just sang whatever came to our minds. We wanted to keep it that way. But yeah, I think next time when we plan something like this, Yashwant, we'll let people know in advance.
We'll definitely give a call.
And we'll come up with something. Yes, 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 yes.
Thank you
Cool
so much,
then.
guys, for
Thank you
joining
so
in.
much, bro.
Uh,
Thank you for joining, and thanks, Yashwant, for coming up with the idea. I mean, I wouldn't have had the courage to do this without you.
Pleasure is
Definitely.
all mine. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Wonderful to hear you.
चलो,
after
you
so
have a
long.
good night. Yes,
You too.
same here, same here, same here. करेंगे यार, करते हैं अपन, हर वीक बैठेंगे एक घंटा,
I think we
every
should do this
week,
more
every
often.
fortnight. Yeah, we
Yeah,
should, we should. We should not. We should not, do it like CSK. Last year to 2020 CSK, we did one live. We should not wait for one more year to do a live. Definitely not. We'll see. We'll set up something, bro.
Soon.
Next week or next fortnight, something. We'll set up something.
Done, but
ठीक है. Thanks. चलो. Take care. God
chalo,
bless.
bye.